Hello, my name is Jones Moon and today, we look at the flow of cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid CSF, is a clear fluid found within the ventricles cavities of the brain, central canal of spinal cord and beneath the cranial and spinal meninges in the subarachnoid space. It protects and nourishes the brain and spinal cord. The meninges dura mater, arachnoid mater, and pia mater are the three membranes that envelop the brain and spinal cord. Cerebrospinal fluid is located in the subarachnoid space between the arachnoid mater and the pia mater. The primary function of the meninges is to protect the central nervous system. The whole process begins when the choroid plexus and the lateral ventricles produce cerebrospinal fluid CSF. Cerebrospinal fluid will flow through an opening called the foramen of Monro to enter the third ventricle. From the third ventricle, the cerebral spinal fluid continues to flow downward into the fourth ventricle passing through a passageway called cerebral aqueduct or aqueduct of Sylvius. In the fourth ventricle, the cerebrospinal fluid will continue the journey flowing downward into the spinal cord. Nevertheless, some fluid will pass through the foramina in the roof of the fourth ventricle called foramen of Luschke, also called foramen of Meningendi, to enter the subarachnoid space. The cerebral spinal fluid will circulate through the brain and spinal cord in this space, subarachnoid space, and passes back or be absorbed into the blood through tiny diverticular of arachnoid mater called the villi, which project into the venous sinuses. Balance between production and absorption of cerebrospinal fluid is critical. Because cerebrospinal fluid is made continuously, medical conditions that block its normal flow or absorption results in overaccumulation of cerebrospinal fluid. This results in pressure against the brain tissue causing hydrocephalus. Thanks for listening and keep studying.